okay, what the heck do you do with music at job sites? Can your guys have earphones in, headphones? Can they play music? What's the policy on this? So my advice, and you could go a lot of different routes, right? But no headphones, no earpieces, no music playing out of a phone in somebody's pocket. And you got to have policy too on, who gets to have a phone during work, right? What's the policy on that? The best way to frame it up is that crew leader, they may have their cell phone on hand to be able to get contact with the office. But for all the helpers, anybody else on the job site, really phones ought to be in the cab. And sure, they can go check them as needed, but if a customer catches you on the phone while you're on the clock, that's not going to look good, right? Now, as far as music, you can have a centralized music source for the team. Maybe that's a speaker, some setup, but then you got to have some type of policy on what's being played. There's a lot of hairy parts to this, but just make sure that you have it in writing, have a policy, and you inspect what you expect.